Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this high bun hairstyle on thin or fine hair. To start, I'm going to leave a little bit of hair out on each side to frame the face, and then I'm going to take a small slice of hair at the back of the head and just clip the rest up out of your way, and we're just going to tie this into a ponytail using a clear elastic band. Then divide off another section the same size as the first one and pop this into a ponytail as well. And we're just going to repeat these steps all the way up the back of the head until we run out of hair. So here I've got 6 ponytails. And I'm going to clip the top 3 out of the way for now, and I'm going to take that bottom ponytail and split it in half. Then I'm going to miss the ponytail above it and then join it to the one above that. Use another clear elastic band to join these two together. Then I'm going to apply some texture powder. I'll pop this in the description below, and I'm going to pinch and pull the sides of those loops to make them as voluminous as possible. Then I'm going to take the bottom ponytail, split it in half, miss a ponytail out and join it to the one above that. Apply your texture powder and pinch and pull the loops. So again, take that bottom ponytail, miss this one out and join it to the next one. So divide the ponytail in half, skip a ponytail and join it to that top one. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull. Okay, so we're onto the ponytails. All 3 are at the top now, so we're going to do it one more time. So split that bottom ponytail in half and join it to the very top ponytail. So you're skipping a ponytail every time. So just join it together with another clear elastic band and you're left with 2 little ponytails at the top of the head. Apply your texture spray and pinch and pull the side sections for more volume. Now to keep it secure, I've pushed some bobby pins through each loop just to secure it to the head all the way up both sides of the braid. And then to get rid of part lines, gently comb from front to back. Now I've taken a hair donor and cut it up, and I'm just going to roll this up and then just tuck the ends inside itself so you've got a little bit of padding. And I'm going to place this on top of that top ponytail and secure it both sides with a couple of bobby pins. Now I'm going to apply some more of that texture powder all over those ponytails, and I'm going to split it in half so you've got 2 sections, and then we're gently going to back comb from root to tip, using the very edge of your comb to smooth out just the outside layers, and do this on both sides of that ponytail. Now taking one section, I'm going to drape it around the side and bring it all the way around the front and over to the opposite side of that padding. Then I'm just going to use a few bobby pins on each side to secure it to the padding. Then take the other half of the ponytail and we're going to do the same but go in the opposite direction. So bring it round the side so it drapes over the front and ends up on the opposite side of the padding. Again, secure this with a couple of bobby pins on each side. Then bring the ends round the back and just pin them to the padding at the back. And then just add a couple of pins throughout the hairstyle so it's nice and secure. Now with those tail ends, I'm just grabbing them, pinning them to the padding and bringing them to the opposite side. And if you've got a little bit left over, just wrap it around a bobby pin and tuck it into that padding. Now I'm applying some spray wax on top of this bun, and then we're going to use our fingers to pinch and pull little sections of the hair to give it more texture. If you prefer a smooth bun, you can skip this step. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.